For Sew Along episode 2, I want to show you how to install zipper slider onto your zipper tapes. In this Sew Along tutorial, we are not sewing anything at all, but I want to call it Sew Along tutorial because I actually don't know what to name it. And I know for sure there will be a point in your bag making journey where you ran into this issue. The slider come off. If this happened to you, don't freak out. The zipper slider could be installed on the zipper tape very easily, and you can use this tricks for any zipper tape where your zipper slider come off, or if you buy a zipper tape roll, you could buy a separate slider and change them out. It's kind of cool. First, let's talk about the zipper anatomy. That way, when I refer to any component, you know what I'm talking about. This is a zipper. It consists of a zipper tape, this white part here. This little silver area here is called the zipper teeth. On here, this little tab right here is called the zipper pull. The zipper pull is connected to what's called the slider. When you buy pre-cut zipper, it usually comes with two stops right here. See this little two clip here? Those are the two stops. This one is called the bottom stops, and this one right here is called the top stop because this one is the top of the zipper and this one is the bottom of the zipper. Here is a close-up view of the zipper slider and zipper pull component. This right here is the zipper pull, and this right here is the slider. The slider will usually have two components, which we call the flat bottom and the round top. So if you look at the flat bottom, it's very open. There is no middle divider at the flat bottom. If you look at the round top right here, you will see there is a divider. The round side with the divider is what opened the zipper teeth. The bottom here that's open without the divider is what closes the zipper. Here's a quick demonstration. I'm sure we all know how zipper works, but just want to show you. When you take the slider and you unzip, the round top here, the round side of the zipper, with the divider is what separates the zipper teeth. When you zip up the zipper, the bottom side, which we saw earlier, what has no divider, is what closes the zipper teeth together. Before we install the slider onto the zipper tape, you need to make sure that your slider is the correct size for your zipper tape. So if you buy your own slider separately and your zipper tape separately, there will be a number for the slider and the zipper tape. So like right here I have is slider number 5 and zipper tape number 5. That number indicates the width of your zipper teeth when the zipper teeth is closed. If you have a slider that is number 10 and your zipper tape is number 5, it will not work. You need to have the right size for both in order for you to put the slider onto the zipper tape properly. Starting with my most favorite method. It doesn't really matter if your zipper tape is unzipped or zipped from the beginning because we're going to unzip it anyway. So if you inadvertently unzip this whole zipper tape, don't worry. What you need to do is from one end of your zipper tape, where if it has any fraying, you need to trim that off. Once you clean all the fraying, you want to take your zipper and face it in the direction so that the round tip is facing towards the zipper tape, going in towards the zipper tape, like this. Next, you're going to take the left side of your zipper tape and slide it into the left channel of your slider, leaving it at 45-degree angle like this. Next, take the right side of your zipper tape and slide it through the right channel of your slider, leaving it at 45-degree angle, like that. Next, you're gonna take this finger. Can't think of what this finger is called. Index finger? Correct me if I'm wrong. Take this finger and push this down while holding the two sides of the tape. Just push it. You will hear or feel a little click. Your zipper bottom, the flat bottom, should be inward now. Now grab the zipper tape. Make sure you have a good grip. I usually use my thumb and I just kind of grip it. And then take your other hand and grab the slider and kind of pull. If you struggle a little bit here, what you can do is just use both your finger, grab this end, and pull it down. And now, look at that. All fixed. If you see this bubble, don't worry. You could just literally split it. For this method, you cannot start with the zipper tape unzip. So if you have a zipper tape that fully unzip, start with method number 1. Method 2 works great for zipper tape that has an end like this. I don't have one to demonstrate, so I'm just going to demonstrate with a regular zipper tape that has been cut. For method number 2, you need to make sure that your end is also clean off. There's no fraying. And you start with a closed zipper tape or a zipper tape like this one. Take your slider and face it so that the flat bottom of the slider is facing towards the zipper teeth. Insert your zipper tape into the flat bottom of the slider like this. Take your finger and push it down. Take your two thumbs and pull on the two sides of your zipper tape while pushing the slider down. You will hear a little pop or feel that the zipper unzip. When you hear a little pop or that you feel the zipper separating at the top here, that means you're ready to move on to the next steps. Now take your finger on your left hand and your thumb, grab the edge if you can, like this, and pull your slider down. One thing I do not like about this method is that it causes fraying at the end of your zipper tape, but that is an easy fix. It's only an issue if your zipper tape was really tight length and you don't want to lose any additional length due to this. So you could just trim it. And that is how you install slider onto zipper tape. Sometimes when we do those two methods, there will be a point where it will misalign at the tip here. That's an easy fix. All you have to do is take a scissors and trim it so that it's even and that all the frayings are gone. And there you have it. Zipper slider fully installed on a zipper tape. When buying zipper, you will find that zipper comes in different types of materials. So the three I have here is nylon, metal, metallic nylon metal zippers. Now for the nylon, it's great if you're a beginner sewer and you are scared of puncturing and breaking your needle when sewing over the zipper teeth. So this is really nice for beginners. Metal zipper, I would say, is more for experienced sewer or more advanced sewer because it's not fun if you sew through the zipper teeth and broke your needle in the middle of it. It could scare you a little bit when you are a beginner sewer. My favorite one is the metallic nylon metal zipper. This one is a combination of both of these. The zipper teeth is nylon, while the zipper pull and slider is metal. So that way, when you sew, you will sew it through like how you sew a nylon zipper. But then when you look at the zipper, it looks like a metal zipper. You can't tell the difference, especially if you grab this pull. It will feel like metal because it is metal, but your zipper teeth is nylon, so it'll make it easier for you to sew your bag. Here is a close-up view of the metallic nylon metal zipper. This is metal, this is nylon. When you compare to a metal zipper, I actually prefer the metallic nylon metal zipper. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorials. Leave me a comment down below what you want to see next. Happy sewing!